or dancing here, and today we're going to be learning Dreamworks. It's a 32 count, 4-wall beginner dance with 1 restart. Not to worry, it's at the beginning of the dance and we'll be getting it out of the way real quick. Now, if you haven't already, please click the link below to subscribe to our channel and learn more fun dances just like this. Well, I think that's everything. If you're ready to learn this dance, follow me. All right, let's start with our first set of 8 counts. For this dance, we're going to start with our right foot. We're going to step forward, scuff with the left, step forward with the left, scuff with the right. Then we're going to do a full rocking chair with our right foot. So we're going to walk forward on our right foot and then back on our right foot. Let's put some counts behind that. So starting with your right foot, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do our second set of 8 counts. So we just finished our full rocking chair. Our weight's on our left foot. We're going to use our right foot and we're going to step forward with the right, step forward with the left. Then we're going to do a kick ball change with the right foot. So we're going to kick our right foot forward, ball change. After that, we're going to do 2 quarter turns. So we're going to step forward with our right foot, turn towards our left shoulder, step forward with our right foot, turns towards our left shoulder. Let's put some counts behind that. Weights on your left foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quarter 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do the first 16 counts to song tempo. Starting with that right foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do the third set of 8 counts. We are facing that back wall. However, I'm going to teach it facing the home wall so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, so we just finished our quarter turns. We're going to do 2 weave steps. Think of it like you're weaving a basket. So our right foot's going to cross in front. Left foot comes out to the side. Right foot crosses behind. Points out with the left. Now we're going to do it to the right. So our left foot's going to cross in front. Right foot comes out to the side. Left foot crosses in back. Point out the right. Let's put some counts behind that. Ready? Left side first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Weave 1, 2, 3.4. Weave 5, 6, 7.8. All right, let's do it facing the correct wall. So I get to watch you now. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Weave 1, 2, 3.4. Weave 5, 6, 7.8. All right, let's do the first 24 counts, song tempo. Ready? Starting with that right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quarter 5, 6, 7, 8. Weave 1, 2, 3.4. Weave 5, 6, 7.8. All right, we made it to the last set of 8 counts. We are still facing that back wall, but once again, I'm going to teach you facing our home wall so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, so we just finished that weave step. Our right foot is pointed out. We're going to do a box step to turn towards our new wall. So we're going to be turning towards our right shoulder. So our right foot's going to cross in front. Left foot comes behind, turning us towards our right shoulder and our new wall. Right foot comes out to the side. And then our left foot steps forward to finish that box. Then we're going to step right, step left, shake, shake. All right? Let's put some counts behind that. So So again, right foot's pointed out. 5, 6, 7, 8, box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it facing the correct wall. Right foot's pointed out. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. That's the whole dance. All right, time to put all 32 counts together from the top. Song tempo. Ready? Starting with that right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quarter 5, 6, 7, 8. Weave 1, 2, 3, 4. Weave 5, 6, 7, 8. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everyone, this dance has one restart, okay? So it's going to be going counterclockwise, and the very first time we hit that 3 o'clock wall, which is to my left at the moment, we're gonna have our restart. So once we hit that 3 o'clock wall, we're gonna start from the beginning. It's gonna be step, scuff, rock forward, back, walk, walk, kick, ball, change, quarter, quarter, restart, okay? So we're gonna do step, scuff, rock forward and back. Walk, walk, kick, ball, change, quarter, quarter, weave, and weave, box turn. Right, left, shake, shake. And that's it. That's the only restart, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore for the rest of the song. You did it! You just learned a brand new line dance, and hopefully had fun while doing it too. Now, if you're ready to dance it out with me, let me help you. Click the link above and let's go dance it out.